BMW X7. Since this BMW 3-row saw the world as an all-new model in 2019, the 2023 facelift is the first one in its history. The once polarizing design gets an even bolder spin, with thin headlights that mimic the electric iX. Additionally, the grille is now backlit and rear lights have triangular 3D elements. There are 40+ individual finishes, including non-metallic and matte options, plus a multiple selection of wheels from 21 to 23 inches. The standard BMW X7 xDrive 40i is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six with increased output of 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. The M60i model gets a more interesting engine upgrade. Its 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 is hybridized with a 48-volt system and now makes 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet. The latter model also benefits from standard air springs, rear axle steering, and dynamic handling package. The 8-speed transmission is standard for both engines, but now it also features a sprint setting that allows to complete the 0 to 60 race in 5.6 and 4.5 seconds respectively. The centerpiece of the 2023 BMW X7 interior upgrade is the new curved display that is comprised of a 12.3-inch dashboard and a 14.9-inch infotainment under a single glass piece. Lastly, the new iDrive 8 system is 5G enabled and is controlled with a redesigned selector. What are your thoughts about this newcomer to the automotive world? Is it a worthy addition? Let's talk this over in the comment section below. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News, like this video, and watch more through the links on the screen. We'll see ya!